Welcome to STA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about an important topic. What is a good score in NEET 2021 to get admission in various courses MBBS BDS for the year 2021? Whether 350 plus, 400 plus, 450 plus, 500 plus, 550 plus or 600 plus is a good score to get admission or a free seat in MBBS and BDS colleges. Before going to start the video, I would like to tell you, if you are new, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified. So we know that NEET admission take place in two counseling. The first is All India quota, the second is state quota. First, we will see about the All India quota. What is a good score to get in MBBS and BDS? To get in All India quota for OC caste, there's open caste, OC category, the minimum marks is 480 to 600. Means minimum marks is 480 for OC candidate to go for counseling for the year 2021 for MBBS. At some time this year we are expecting, depend upon the flow and the more marks that are scored by the student, 83% of the more scores got by the student this year. So we are expecting 480 for open category for all India quota. As well as if you see the OC caste for state OC caste minimum marks is 450, and next category, that is called OBC or BC category, the minimum marks for all India quota is 430 is the minimum marks for OBC and BC category students as well as EWS students. So at the same time, some people are saying that 450 is an ideal score for OBC and BC student for all India quota. Next, if you see in state quota, what will be ideal score for BC candidate and OBC candidate? 450 is also a good score. It's a good score to get a free seat in MBBS. About the BDS, for open category, minimum marks for BDS is 400, and for OBC and BC 350 plus and 380 is a good score to get admission in BDS in state quota, 85% state quota. About the SC ST, the ideal score to get admission in all India quota is 400, is a good score to get in all India quota. In state, for 350 to 450 is an ideal score for SC ST students to get admission in 85% state quota. This is brief about all caste and categories. So minimum marks to get a seat for OC candidate in 15% all India quota is 480, in state 450. For OBC and BC candidate for all India quota 450 is a good score, as well as in state 400 plus is a good score for OBC and BC candidate. For SC ST, the good score for MBBS is 350 plus to 450 in state, and for all India quota 400 is a good score to get admission in all India quota for SC ST. This is brief. For BDS OC, good score is 400 for all India quota, as well as for state 350 plus. For BDS, for state and all India quota for BC and OBC 400 is also a good score, and for SC ST 350 to 400 is a good score for BDS in all India quota and state quota. This is brief. In next video we will keep a separate detail about BMS, BHMS, BYNS. This is brief. Thanks for watching.